As we will be working locally on our computer, so we will not have the online server. But for working with PHP, we need a web server. So thanks to XAMPP server, we can install the web server locally on our computer, and then we can run the PHP on the XAMPP server. So just search on the Google with XAMPP, and on the first link, just click on the first link. Now, one of the great thing about XAMPP is XAMPP have everything which you need to work with PHP. It has Apache server for running the PHP. It also have PHP MyAdmin, which you can use later to work with MySQL, means database. And also one of the great thing about XAMPP server is they have 3 versions according to your operating system. They have Windows version, they have Linux version, and also the Macintosh version for the Apple computers. So you can pick any of the version from these link. So I have Windows, so I'm gonna click on the XAMPP for Windows. Now start the download process. Now after downloading this product, you have to install this product manually. As I have already installed the XAMPP server, so after installing this product, you will have this icon of XAMPP control panel. Just click on this icon. Now this is our XAMPP control panel. You will find the latest version of XAMPP with the 5.6. You can choose whatever version you want. You can choose the latest version, but I have the older version with the PHP of 5.6 installed. So I'm gonna use this version. So for starting the server, just click on the Apache module to start and action to start. And if you want to run the database, then you should click on the MySQL. So we will be using the XAMPP server throughout this course. Now after installing, if you want to see that which PHP version that you installed, then first of all just click on the start button of the Apache server. Then you have to locate the directory root of this XAMPP server. So go to in the computer, in C drive, inside the XAMPP folder, inside the folder of htdocs, this folder will be your root. So create one text file here, and I'm gonna call this file to test.php. Now inside this file, we are going to run one PHP function, and first of all we need to define the PHP scope. Then the PHP function which we will be using will be PHP info, and now semicolon at the end. If you save this file and click on the admin of your XAMPP server, now here you can see we got the test.php file after localhost. So clicking on the test.php file. Now on this page, by using this function of php info, you can see that we have installed the PHP version of 5.6.3 with the XAMPP server which I have installed in my computer. So in case if you are going to install new version, you will have the latest version of PHP, and the latest version is 7 point something. So as this version is compatible with my computer and completely compatible with this course, so I'll be using this version. You can use the latest version. It's not going to make any difference with the latest version. You won't have any problem. So it's up to you if you want to use this version or the latest version.